Why does your cat bring you this? Decoding your cat's gifts. Reason 1. Instinct. They see you as family, maybe a clumsy one who needs feeding lessons. Reason 2. Affection. It's their way of saying, I trust you and share my prize. Reason 3. Playtime. They brought the toy, now you throw it. Let's play. Reason 4. Attention, please. Look what I did, praise me, notice me. Reason 5. Safe zone. Bringing their catch back to their secure territory, home. Which reason fits your cat? Tell us below. Like and subscribe for more cat facts.